Hello there, this is Ivar by Ivar's Fly Workshop, and today we are going to tie an Icelandic fly called Þingeyingur. It's maybe a little bit harsh to pronounce for you guys, but Þingeyingur is it's a local Icelandic made fly, and it's been around for a while. And Þingeyingur is it's a really good fly when it comes to catching brown trout, and it even catches salmon as well. So to start with, we have to attach the thread to the shank of the hook, just like we did. This is tied on a hook number 4, long leg, streamer hook number 4. And I'm making the body out of green Aurora yarn or green wool. Then we have oval silver tinsel to place over the body as a wrap. And we'll attach that to the hook as well. As you see, we'll just fast forward through some of the parts which I'm repeating. Snip off the end or trim that off so it's like kind of like an even. Then we have to wrap the Aurora yarn or the Aurora wool around the hook shank. This takes like a few seconds to do, but make the body a little bit like a slightly thicker in the middle. So it's gonna like take a few seconds to build up the body with the Aurora yarn, as you see. And now it's in the appropriate spot to stop. Then you have to place the oval silver tinsel over the body. We do that by wrapping it around like that. Keep the spaces between the silver like as even as we possibly can. And then we'll lock the silver down with the thread. And like I told you guys, this fly has been around here for quite a while, and it's been like a popular fly. Not forgotten fly, but it's like one of those flies which I find important to put on the channel for people to simply remember. We have a beard on this fly, or like a hackle or a beard, and we used like black squirrel for the beard. Just measure the length of it, get the end of the beard about where the out of the hook is, and then we trim off the end of it, snip it off like evenly, like we are doing with the scissors. Place a little bit like a drop of varnish on the bunch of hair, what I'm doing here. And when we do that, it's gonna stay in place when we attach it to the hook. That's the reason why I'm doing it. It's going to be in place. It's not going to be like loose. It's going to be like kind of a little sticky together, and therefore it's going to be a little bit easier to work with. This is like the method I've choose to use for my flies and for my tying, which I'm working with here in general. Then we have to place the wing on the fly. The wing is made out of bucktail, yellow bucktail. And we use the same method with that. I pinch the end of the hair and draw out the shorter hairs, so the wing is going to be even. I'm not one of those people who are using hair stackers. I did that, but I prefer this method way above. It's like the wing, if you do that, the wing is definitely going to be staying in place after you attach it. So we attach the wing carefully, not too hard to begin with, because then the hairs will just stick out, all of them. It has to be done like gently in the first place. Then you will start to form the head of the fly. As you see, the wing sticks out just like I wanted it. Same with the hackle or the beard. And then we start to do the wraps a little bit harder to form the head of the fly. built up the head like this. Now we'll have like a look at the fly, see if everything is even and stuff like that. It is, so there is just one job left. That's to place like a couple of whip finishes on with the tool, and then we'll place a nice coat of varnish on the head of the fly. Make sure it goes all around. Don't blind the eye of the hook with it. So here we have it, Þingeyingur fly. It's ready, and thanks for watching, and you may consider to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it. I will see you guys in the next video, and thanks for your great reactions, and for the in the time, take care. Bye.